Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to enter the data. The first of all, you need to understand about this thing lah. Okay, before you can start your data analysis, you must first enter all the data into the Spss. You will enter your data into the Spss editor, and then you need to setting up it first in your variable view. Okay, this is how you want to enter the data. I will instruct you and then give you some ideas about the data entry. So this is your what we call it as your variables. So we are going to play with the data. Okay, so we got the ID x1, x2, x is the factor, y is the outcome. Okay, this is just a superficial idea. Everybody follow or not follow or unfollow already? Okay, very good. So we got the ID, respondent ID, x1 is the gender, and then we got the age, marital status, job categories, tenure, job commitment, and lastly job performance. So this is the examples of the social science data. I hope you can get some ideas lah about how to enter this data. So you are going to enter this data according to this table. Okay, so x1 until the y. But this one got some modification that you need to make because the x1 is the gender. So x1 and x2 ni should be changed respectively. You must change vice versa lah. Sebab apa? Kat sini dia lain kan. X1 adalah age, x2 adalah gender. Nampak? Dia terbalik. Okay, nanti you modify accordingly lah. Boleh tak boleh ni? Okay, now let us begin into our SPSS program. You just minimize this one first. We setting up our variable first. Go to your variable, enter the word ID on the first part of our variables. Done already? Done After you done, make sure you put here measurement as a scale. Okay, before I begin with, I will instruct you and give you some ideas about the SPSS punya view lah. The first one is the name. Please make sure the name that you put is a shortest as possible. Shortest as possible. Maksudnya seringkas yang mungkin. The simplest possible so that you know this one is belong to what. Okay. For example, in this case, I'm just put there as the ID. And then in this, the next column, we call it as a type. You can click this 3 button here to change the type. For example, you got the type of date, you got the types of financial, money, you got comma, dot, scientific notation and so on. You can adjust accordingly. But usually as default, the computer will set as a numeric. Okay, as default is numeric. Just let it be. And then decimal point is decimal, right? You understand decimal kan? Tempat perpuluhan. Width is the label. Okay, label is the label. Sometimes if you put something that is shortest possible, for example, you put x1. You do not know what is x1. So you need to rename x1 as the age. Faham tak? Okay, the next one is the values. The values is where you want to tell the computer about the attributes and value. Did you remember about the attributes? You don't remember, right? Never mind, I give you example. If you get gender, gender is nominal data. Gender can become 2 kind of attributes. The first one is male, the second one is female. And then we instruct the computer to understand the numbers. For example, you give number 1 to male, number 2 for female, only for nominal scale. Okay, so this value only for nominal scale. If you are using the continuous variables or numeric data, no need to consider and fill up anything inside here. Okay, the next one is the missing values. The missing values are very important, especially if your respondent neglect or unable to provide information as you need. Sometimes it's because of the ethics issue, sometimes because of the privacy issue, they do not want to declare, right? Contoh kan macam you tanya orang punya taraf perkahwinan, apa tu? Marital status, kan? Bachelor, married more than one, divorce more than 2, contoh lah. So contohnya that is the kind of example of the questionnaire that you are searching for. So therefore, you must also setting some missing element. If there is some missing element, I will teach you how to set it up. Okay, the next one is column. Alignment is just alignment. Measures is the measures of your scale. And then the last but not least is the role. Forget about the role. This one is for the advanced version. Okay. The next one, we need to follow according to my table here. Please set as follows. Tengok, kita buat sama-sama. So the first one is what? Gender. Please change, not gender. Please change x1 as the age. So how you want to do that? Just put here x1 and then you label it as age. Done. And then don't forget to change the measurement into scale. Settle. Okay? Can you follow? Follow kan? Okay, the next one is X2. The X2 is the gender. You label it as gender. Settle? Settle kan? Okay, now you remember the gender got values because it's contain two types of attributes, namely as male and female. Therefore, you need to give the values here because this one is the nominal scale. You teach the computer, one is male, two is female. Can you do that? If you want to change, you just change here. Change. Okay, I made a repetition. You put the gender, you go to the values. They got some 3 dot there. You click the 3 dot and then you name it accordingly. You put number 1 and then you label as male. You put number 2, you label as female and then you click add. One by one and then you click OK. And then don't forget to change the measures into the no. Okay, very good, nominal. Okay, proceed with the X3. What is the X3? X3 is the BMW, correct? No, X3 is the factor 3, which is the marital status. 1 is married, 2 is widow, 3 is bachelor. So this one is the marital status. Okay, the values are as follows. The first one is what? Married kan? Second is what? Widow. Betul lah? The third one is bachelor. I can't remember. Okay, correct. The third one is bachelor. And then settle, you click OK. Don't forget to setting the measurement as the nominal. Same also goes to the X4. X4 is what? X4 is the job category. 1 is support, 2 is clerical, 3 is admin. This one is a job category. Job category. Okay, and then you give the number by put this one button. The one is what? Support, clerical, admin. This one is support. Number 2 is clerical. Number 3 is admin. Okay, settle. Don't forget to change your measures into nominal. Proceed with the X5. X5 is what? Job tenure. Job tenure is what? Tenure ni apa tenure? Tahun bekerja kan? Job tenure. Okay, the next one is the job commitment. X6 is the job commitment. Okay. Example, you got some question A asking for the job commitment and then the respondent will answer accordingly. Okay, that one we call it as job commitment. And then Y is a job performance. Job performance is our data lah. Okay, this one is the scale, this one is the scale. Alright, finish. Can you follow? Okay, after you finish all this thing, go into the data view tab. Go into the data view. Please copy accordingly this number. Copy this number. Copy this number Contohnya ID nombor 1. Age 25. 1115927. Copy lah. Apa tadi? 1 Berapa tadi? Saya pun tak ingat. Nanti awak tulis lah. Awak follow this one. Sorry, 25 111 597. 25 111 597. 25 11597. Itu example dia, faham tak? Follows by the another respondent lah. Okay, this one is the age, this one is the gender, this one is the marital status, this one is the job category, job tenure, job commitment and job performance. Kalau awak nampak dia tak jadi nombor, don't worry. If you can see that this one is not numbered, you just click here, change into the number values. You change here, it will change accordingly. Okay, anything with regard to the ordinal will be changed accordingly. Nominal and ordinal will change accordingly. Okay, now please refer to my slide here and key in respectively. Okay, follow. 26 111 6825. 26 111 6825. Okay, follow. What is that? 26 111 6, 8, 5. Are you sure? 6, 8, 2, 5. So this one is 25. This one is 27. Okay, followed by the third one. The third one is what? What is the age? 35, 2, 2, 2. 35, 2, 2, 2. Lepas tu, apa puan? 9, 6, 18. 9, 6, 18. Okay, never mind. I give you time first so that you can copy this one. Copy this one first. Because okay, ladies and gentlemen, please finish this one. So basically, you can just follow accordingly lah. Can you see it or you cannot see it? You cannot see it Never mind lah, because I want to key in first lah, can lah? Can I key in it first? Or you want to key in together with me? Together lah kan? Together. Okay, the next ID. The next ID is number 4. Number 4 is 28. 1, 2, 3, 7, 16. Okay, the next one, number 5, 46, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 13. Okay, the next one, number 6, 26, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, 19. Okay, the next one, number 7, 37, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 16. Okay, the next one, number 8, 35, 2, 1, 1, 8, 4, 8, 4, 17. Okay, the next one, number 9, 39, 1, 2, 2, 5, 7, 18. Okay, the next one, number 10, 34, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, and 20. The next one, 11, 26, 2, 2, 1, 4, 4, 11. The next one, number 12, 50, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 18. The next one, number 13, 35, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 17. Second last, 14, 28, 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 2, 2. 6, 7, 2, 2. Okay, the next one, last one, 46, 2, 3, 1, 7, 4, 13. Okay, finish. After finish this one, don't forget to save lah, save your data. Your class is random class, right? Okay, good girl and good boy. So now follow my data here as indicate above. You can't see it. You can't see it. I can't help you, ma'am. Or you want to see the slide one? The slide you can see better. This one is better lah. Okay, I give you the better one lah. But I give you 1 minute only lah. You cannot finish within 1 minute. Then I'm asking you to key in or take the picture lah. Because I want to move on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please key in the data as follows. So this is the data, the example of the data that you need to key in inside your data view. So just follow according to the factors given lah. Okay, I hope everybody is follow. Okay, you take the picture already. You see, this is the warning about my battery is going low. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is about our data. Make sure you save your data. You save the data first. And then this is our data lah. We got 15 cases and then we got X1 until Y. So X1 is the okay. How to do this? Okay, listen You click the ID here. You can double click to the ID. It will go to the variable view. You can double click to the ID again. It will go to the data view. Okay, try to do that. You click the ID, it will go to the variable view. You double click again, it will go to the data view. And then go to the data view. Now you go to the variable view. Double click, you go to variable view. Make sure that you give the label and also make the values accordingly. Values ni kena letak. And then don't forget to set your measures. Nominal, 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 scale, scale, scale. So this is just the example lah, where you have the factor and you have the outcome. So one of the factor is the age, gender. So all of this is your factor, and then you got the outcome or responses that you want to measure, which is the job performance. So we want to know whether there is a significant factors that influence the job performance in our workers. And this is just an example. Unfortunately, for your information, all of this need to be collected, correct? Because the job commitment, you need to have a questionnaire, the specific questionnaire to calculate and to know the job commitment. Same also goes to the job performance. But this one is already given to you. But if you want to make it up, I will share with you after this. We try to make one questionnaire and then we try to key in the questionnaire together. Can we do that? Can But I need your cooperation to give me one example of questionnaire. After this lah. Okay. After this, you give me one questionnaire and then we try to develop a questionnaire together. Make it around less than 20 questions. And then we can run together with the real data, which is you as the respondent. Okay? You want to do that or you don't want? You want lah kan? Okay. So basically the data is already being put inside the data view. So this is the example about our data. So our data is successfully being transferred into the SPSS. So now, what I'm going to share with you is you can try to analyze this data. You want to try to analyze this data or you don't want? You don't want, right? Or you want it after this? You want now? Wow, very good, huh? Okay, you can just go to the analyze. You go to the analyze. Okay, you go to the descriptive statistic. And then you go to the frequencies. Okay, this is the basis for you to understand any missing values or availability of the data. You can just put anything inside here. You push the shift button and then you click everything and then put everything inside this drop box, you know, inside this variable box. You can just drag or you can highlight it and then shift everything and then push this arrow button. It will go into the variable box. Okay, can you see it? Okay. Or you want to drag it, also can. Okay. Or you want to put it one by one, also can. You want to waste your time, kan? Okay, that is another way. Can also. And then you can see here, down here got the display frequency tables, right? And then you click here, they got some statistical values. You can click here, statistic, you can see a lot of statistical element that you want to test, if you want lah. But in this episode, I just want to share with you how to detect any missing values. So after that, you click OK. And then after you click OK, we can see there is no missing values, right? No missing values. Perfect. Can you see? It's perfect in our statistical analysis. Okay. You also can try to eliminate or destroy one example. For example, I want to destroy one data about the respondent number 7. I delete her age. So when I delete her age, I rerun again. I can find one missing data on the age side. Can you see it? So this is called EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis. It's very important for you to identify any missing values available in your working data or data set lah. This is why we call it as a data set. So now we have the data set already, and then we have also our output. So this is our output regarding to the gender, marital status, job frequency, job tenure, job commitment, and so on. So this one actually you can copy and then you can paste inside the Excel, or you want to transform it everything into the Excel or Word also can. And then you can just tabulate your data and finish your work. And then you can just write up your result and findings, and then within a few hours you can finish your project. Wow, very easy. Yes, correct. If we got time after this, I'm going to share with you how you can produce a paper with the, not paper lah, how you want to produce a result, it's an analytical result within a few hours, a few minutes. Just I need your help to find out a suitable questionnaire. Can you do that? Okay, so we stop here for a while.